Hey there, fellow coders! Are you ready to take your coding game to the next level? Today, we have something truly exciting in store for you. We'll be diving into the world of Visual Studio Code and exploring the top 10 amazing extensions that will supercharge your productivity and make your coding experience a breeze. So, let's jump right in. Imagine having the power to track your coding activity, set goals, and boost your efficiency. Our first extension does just that. Introducing Code Time. This handy extension allows you to monitor your coding activity, analyze your productivity, and even set goals to keep you on track. Say goodbye to time wasted and hello to optimized coding. Have you ever struggled to match corresponding brackets in your code? Our next extension solves this problem in a snap. Say hello to the Bracket Pair Colorizer extension. This incredible tool makes it easy to identify and match brackets in your code by assigning unique colors to each pair. No more getting lost in the sea of brackets. Git can be a powerful tool, but sometimes it's hard to keep track of changes. Luckily, our next extension brings Git insights right into your editor. With Git Lens, you can unlock the full potential of Git without leaving your coding environment. It provides inline blame annotations, code lens, and other insightful features to help you understand code changes and collaborate seamlessly with your team. Collaboration is key in today's coding world. Our next extension enables real-time collaboration with your teammates, no matter where they are. Introducing LiveShare. This game-changing extension allows you to code together in real time, share your development environment, and collaborate effortlessly. Say goodbye to the limitations of physical distance and hello to efficient remote teamwork. Maintaining a consistent code style can be a challenge. Luckily, our next extension automatically formats your code and keeps it clean. Prettier is a must-have extension for every coder. It automatically formats your code, ensuring consistent style across your projects. Spend less time on manual formatting and more time on what truly matters: writing great code. Imagine having intelligent CSS autocompletion and suggestions at your fingertips while coding. Our sixth extension does just that. Introducing IntelliSense for CSS. With this amazing extension, you'll get intelligent autocompletion and suggestions for CSS, making your coding faster and more accurate. Say goodbye to manual searching and hello to speedy styling. Testing and debugging APIs directly from your editor can save you valuable development time. Our next extension streamlines this process. Say hello to REST Client. This powerful extension allows you to test and debug APIs without leaving your coding environment. With just a few clicks, you can send HTTP requests, view responses, and streamline your API development like never before. Say goodbye to external tools and hello to faster API testing. Code comments are essential for documentation, but they can become overwhelming. Our next extension helps you organize and highlight your comments for better readability. Introducing Better Comments. This handy extension lets you highlight and organize your code comments, making them more visually distinct and easier to navigate. With customizable comment styles, you can prioritize and document your code effectively. Say goodbye to messy comments and hello to clarity. Personalizing your workspace can boost your creativity and productivity. Our next extension allows you to customize color themes for different projects. With Peacock, you can personalize your workspace like never before. This fantastic extension lets you customize color themes for different projects, making each coding environment unique and inspiring. Say goodbye to monotony and hello to a visually captivating coding experience. Sometimes, a picture is worth 1,000 lines of code. Our next extension helps you capture stunning code snippets for sharing and documentation purposes. Introducing Polacode. With this amazing extension, you can capture beautiful code snippets as eye-catching screenshots. Whether it's for sharing on social media or documenting your work, Polacode will make your code shine. Say goodbye to plain text and hello to visually stunning snippets. And there you have it, our top 10 amazing Visual Studio Code extensions that will turbocharge your coding journey. Each extension brings unique capabilities and helps you unlock new levels of productivity, collaboration, and code quality. Give them a try and witness the transformation in your coding workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more coding content, and share it with your fellow developers. Thank you for joining us today, and happy coding!